In this lesson, I want us to start installing the showcases. Now, there are different options for the showcases or different ways that they can be presented on the front end. So you want to click on this add here, and then you want to choose a title. I'm just going to put that there for now. That's going to be changed in just a second. And let's click on Save Showcase. Just like with the show list, you have several options of things you can install. So these are the different options here, or different layouts that you can choose to present your photos. So right now the default one here, this is the theme classic. So we're just going to name this one theme classic, and then you just want to click on it. When the theme has been successfully installed, this is what it looks like. So right from the back end, you get a good feel of what it's going to look like on the front end. So this is what the public is going to see. And the great thing about it is that this has a ton of different features, and let's take a look at them. First, when you click on the container here, this is the background. You can change the color. So you should drag this here. You can change the color for that. So let's just leave that as the default. And let's go over here to the image. You can change to fit. Now, I want you to watch this image. When you click on expand out, it expands out when you click on fit. So let's put that, it expands out. And then you can have the image open in the link in the new browser, in the current browser. So one thing to note here is that wherever you click on the image, you can edit it. So I want you to watch. When I click here, it changes on the left side as well, this left section here, for you to change the information there. So let's click on this title, for example. You notice it opens the title here. Let's click on this here, the general. You want to click on the bottom there. So you have an option of hiding. When you click hide, it's going to hide that. You click show. And do you want it to be at the bottom, or do you want it to be at the top? When you click at the top, that moves over to the top. Let's put it back at the bottom. And then you can change the color, the active state. If you notice this orange here, if you want to change the active state for that, you can change that to something else. Let me move this up here to green. And as you move it, it changes automatically as well. So this happens in real time. As you're changing it, it's also changing. You can change the normal state. You can play around with those. You can change the dimensions of the thumbnail. So whatever you want to edit here, you can just click on the area, and it's going to, give you the section here that you can change whatever you want to change. And then the toolbar, the slideshow, you can choose the timing here. So this is also great. And one thing too, you noted here, you have the JavaScript or you have Flash. So when you click on the Flash, it changes that. So now it has a Flash outlook, and you can edit the Flash one with the same thing. You just click in the area, and you can, you can change how it looks in Flash. So let me just put it back here to JavaScript. So that's pretty much when you're done here. You just click on save.